Air pollution, when we talk about air pollution, we need to really understand what is air pollution. So the air we breathe in, it is having very small particles. And these small particles, depending upon the size and the type of the particles, it will decide that whether these particles will be harmful to us or not harmful to us. Now in the air pollution, there are so many pollutants, so many small particles which are actually pollutants. And these small particles, depending upon their size, like PM2.5 and PM10, they are classified. Now PM10 particles usually goes to the nose. They usually remain in the throat and the upper respiratory tract or upper breathing tube. And they really cause nose troubles like nose block, your running nose, sneezing, recurrent coughing, and sometimes throat clearing type of sensation. Whereas the smaller particles like PM2.5, they usually go deeper inside the lungs and ultimately they cause breathing difficulty, breathlessness, and the child or the adult require nebulizers or inhalers. And if somebody who is subjected to this air pollution for a long time, for years together, then at that time the lung health deteriorates very fast and ultimately the lung ages very fast. So we need to really understand that air pollution is an emergency and we need to act on this emergency today only. And it is our duty, everyone's duty, to combine together everything to act against air pollution. What we can do? What we can do is that outdoor and indoor. For outdoor, we need to keep our air clean. This air is very much necessary for our life and we need to keep it clean. That means all those activities like bursting crackers, increasing pollutants, all these activities needs to be restricted or completely stopped. It is needed for ourselves, for our children. Simultaneously indoors, in indoor areas, no smoking at all. No active, no passive smoking, no incense stick burning, means agarbatti, dhupbatti, they all are really very dangerous. And then the other thing important is that whenever you are cooking, then at that time no biomass fuel should be used. So this is important. No perfume use, that is important. And if somebody who is suffering from these symptoms, then they need to really present to a good chest specialist or allergy specialist, and ultimately they need to take their treatment as fast as possible, as early as possible, to improve their quality of life.